This is Brian for PekiNews.com. Dog snoring is one of the problems dog owners must put up with, especially at night. Pekingese dogs snore just the same way as other dogs do. The snoring is often caused by tissue and relaxed muscles. When the muscles relax or the tissue partially blocks the passage, it becomes difficult for the dog to breathe. Dogs with a nasal infection or those exposed to allergies may also snore at night. Some of the common allergies include smoke and pollen grain. The nose gets inflamed and narrows down the throat. When this happens, it leads to snoring. Also, Pekingese dogs that are overweight may also snore at night. Here are quick remedies that can help reduce this obnoxious behavior. Make him lose weight. If you realize that your Peki is snoring because he's overweight, consider giving him regular exercise to help him lose some weight. Once the excess weight has been shed off, the snoring problem will go away. Clean the environment. Snoring that is caused by allergens can be eliminated by cleaning and changing the bedding regularly. Keep the curtains and rug free of dust and ensure that you vacuum them regularly. Surgery. In some cases, a minor surgery may be done to remove the tissue that causes snoring. This surgery is normally done to puppies. Changing the sleeping position. This is a tedious exercise, but it can help reduce snoring. Try to elevate the pet's head to reduce chances of snoring. If the dog is allowed to curl out while sleeping, it opens airway passages and can reduce snoring greatly. Seek help from a vet. If you tried the tips mentioned, but the dog does not respond, it may be necessary to seek help from a vet. It will help determine the actual cause of snoring. Note that dog snoring can be bothersome. The dog may not get enough sleep and may also make it difficult for you to sleep if you share the same room. If the snoring persists, you may have to consider keeping the dog in a different room. If your Pekingese dog does not snore normally, but it starts snoring unexpectedly, you may need to take the dog to a vet for a checkup. Taking these actions may be rewarding to the dog and will increase its lifespan. Keep the environment clean and include exercise in his routine. If you enjoyed this video, you're more than welcome to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more great videos.